Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at Matrix AI, or more specifically, we're going to see how to have Matrix automatically populate your property photo descriptions. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so I'm going to take for granted that you already know how to either submit a brand new listing or edit an existing one. But regardless of which, if you want to use the AI description feature, you'll first need to navigate to the listing's photo section. And from here, before you actually upload your property photos, you'll just need to decide if you want to enable AI descriptions. But whether or not you choose to do this, Matrix will always remember your selection as your default setting going forward. All right, so once your photos have been uploaded, you'll notice that the AI has automatically generated a description. But of course, even though this is done with astonishing accuracy, you'll still want to review each of their caption categories and their descriptions individually. And if you find there's any to modify, simply update whatever information that you'd like to change. And finally, if you prefer to clear multiple descriptions at once, you'll just need to select the photos that you'd like to change, then select the clear button. Keep it in mind that it's the description and not the caption that's affected. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.